Hey guys, Lynette here, and in today's video we're doing another Ipsy Glam bag opening. So let's get in and let's get into the bag. Alright guys, welcome back. So like I said, we're doing another Ipsy Glam bag. This one is for the month of March. Mine was a little bit delayed. I don't know if they're delayed this month, probably because of shipping, but we digress. So if for those of you who don't know, Ipsy is a monthly subscription. It's $12 a month, but if you pay for the year, it's definitely cheaper. So if you guys want to check that out, that information will be underneath the video if you guys want to check that out. And then they also like give you points if you review the products that you get to let them know that you like it, you don't like it. So it's pretty cool. And then you also get a free makeup bag. So every time you get an Ipsy bag, always make sure that you look in here because sometimes they give you a full-size product that does not fit in that makeup bag. So definitely don't throw that away just before you make sure. Okay, so that's the case for me because I just pulled it out. So for me, I have actually this is a concealer, and I remember on your Ipsy you get to now choose one of the products that are coming in your bag. So I remember choosing something. This is not it, but I know this is I don't know what this is. This is a concealer brush. I know that's what that one was, and you can see that there. So that's one of the items. So there you go. That's a full-size product. Let me see if it's in the description because they also always give you these little booklets that tell you what is in here. So let me see what this one is because it usually tells you if it's the full price of it. So for this brush, this is a Firma Beauty. This is an Elite B203 concealer brush, and the full-size product of this is actually $12.99. So if you know anything about concealers, I use usually like that little the sponge, but I've started to use the brushes too, so I don't mind it. This month the bag is actually like this. I think it's super cute. It has these little metal polka dotty things there, and then the ribbon here is in like lime yellow, and on the back it does say Ipsy. So every month you do get a new bag that's designed in a different way, so you guys get to keep those, or you can give them away. Especially now, you know, if you're giving away products or maybe health products, you can give this away to like a women's shelter and they can make use out of that too, just to make them feel better in this crazy time right now. So these will be good to give away too. I know a lot of people that give those away. All right, so that's two things there. All right, so the second item we have here is from Yensa. This is a BC foundation, and there you go. All right, so this one, this is a sample, deluxe sample. If you were getting the full-size product of this is actually $38 for the BC cream. This is Yensa Skin on Skin BC foundation in medium warm. So let me try this out. I love these little bottles because if it doesn't actually match my skin, it's okay because it was a little sample. All right, so let me try this here. That's what it looks like there. And I know I have lipstick there, but it's from a L'Or beauty box, so can't really see it, but that's the point. So it matches my skin, so that's perfect. So we have that. And the next thing we have here is from, let me see, this is from Tarte Sequence Hydrating Primer. So this is a deluxe size sample, and then the full size of this is $32. So let me see. And they all have a safety seal, so that's perfect. So it doesn't get, you know, it wasn't handled by a bunch of people and it was just opened. And then this is clear. I don't even, if you guys can see that, I don't even know, but I love these little hydrating. Tarte has like these skin lines that it doesn't smell, but it's clear, so I like it. And then the next thing we have here is from Polar, is what it says, but it's in another language, so I don't know what that is. This is Polar Night Cream. So this is night cream. This is also a deluxe size item, and then the full size version of this is $48, $48.76. So that is very expensive. And then I actually have this. I got this from FabFitFun last year. This is Generation Clay Brightening Purple Clay Mask. So I'm not going to open it because I do have the full size of it. This is a deluxe size product, and the full size version of this is $29.99, and it's actually purple cream. So it starts off dark purple and then it turns into light purple. It's super freaky. And then last but not least, we have Belle in Argent is what it says here. This is a Lip Lure Gloss in Jealous of Us. So this is a deluxe size version, and the full size would have been $22. So let me see this last one here. So hold on, let me see what this one is. Okay, so that's what that looks like here. And then it says it is, okay, not a bad color, so I like that. I would definitely use that. Okay, so that was everything. So let's do a recap and see what all came. So we, of course, we have our bag, and then we have that concealer. We have our lip gloss. We have our Generation Clay mask that I'm dropping. We have our Generation Clay mask, and then we have our night cream. We have our moisturizing booster primer. We have our BC foundation, and that is it. So basically we have a whole look in this bag. So this month was definitely worth it. I would definitely give it 2 thumbs up. So with that being said, make sure you guys comment, like, and subscribe so you never miss another video. Let me know in the comment section below if you guys got any of these products. Have you tried any of them? Let me know what you guys think. So with that being said, you guys enjoy the rest of your day, and we'll see you on the next video. So have a good day, guys.